Hi, welcome back to the Upbeat Traveler. Today, we are visiting the Trang An Eco-Tourism Complex in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. The Trang An Eco-Tourism Complex, located in Ninh Binh Province, Vietnam, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning natural beauty and cultural significance. The Trang An Landscape Complex was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site on June 23, 2014. This expansive area features a network of waterways, towering limestone karsts, and numerous caves, offering visitors a unique and serene experience. Exploring Trang An typically involves a tranquil boat ride through its scenic landscapes, where travelers can admire the harmonious blend of nature and history. This is our second visit to this area, and it has changed quite a bit in recent years. The ticket office is now across the road, and you now cross under the road to get to the visitors center and boat dock. I think the best times to experience these boat tours is either early morning or late afternoon. If you go at these times, you will find a huge difference in the number of tourists at each tourist stop along your boat tour. Today we decided to do a late afternoon tour, and were rewarded with an amazing lack of other tourists on our tour. There are 3 boat tours to choose from. We had already done Tour 2 previously, and we decided to take Tour 3 this visit. As you can see, we are visiting in late October on a weekday at about 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and there are no lines and no waiting for a tour boat. There are 4 to 5 passengers per boat, and we had to wait a few minutes for 2 other passengers to join us, and away we went. Here is a quick rundown on boat tour ticket prices as of late 2024. Adults were 250,000 VND per person, or approximately $10. Children were 125,000 VND per person, or approximately $5. Little children were free. If you wish to rent a private boat, the cost is 1,250,000 VND per boat, or approximately $50. And finally, if you wish to hire a personal guide for your tour, it will cost you an extra 300,000 VND, or approximately $12. En Trinh, also known as Trinh Temple, is a historically significant site nestled within the Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. Dating back over 1,000 years, this temple is dedicated to 4 generals from the Dinh dynasty who played pivotal roles during a tumultuous period in Vietnamese history. Legend has it that following the assassination of King Dinh Tien Hoang, these generals safeguarded the young heir, Dinh Tông, seeking refuge in the area where the temple now stands. Visitors to En Trinh are greeted by serene surroundings, including tranquil waters teeming with fish and striking giant carp sculptures at the entrance. The temple's architecture showcases intricate carvings and vibrant colors. The complex has 31 lakes and lagoons connected by 48 caves. Among them are water caves up to 2 kilometers long, and each cave has its own beauty and possesses vivid and beautiful limestone stalactites. The complex is also home to a diverse ecosystem, boasting over 600 species of flora and 200 species of fauna. We have gone through many caves in the Trang An Eco-Tourism Complex, both long, short and beautiful. This cave, known as Hang Toi Cave, really impressed us for its rock formations and how small and tight it was. We will play you the whole journey through this cave from the start to end, at double speed. Please stick with us, because you will truly be impressed by the amazing skill of the driver of our boat in navigating through this very tight cave. Their ability to control the speed and direction of these boats in such a small space is simply amazing.
That is crazy.
The best time for tourists to visit Trang An Ecotourism Complex is in early spring, from January to March. At this time, the weather is not too cold, the sky is clear and there is little rain, so it is convenient to take a boat to visit the scenic spots. In addition, there are many festivals at this time, so tourists can have more experiences. Also, the autumn season, July to September, is the other great time to visit, when the golden rice fields are ripe and to see the beauty of Trang An tourist region. In addition, visitors can come in June to see the lotus flowers in full bloom. Let's quickly cover the 3 boat tour options on offer in Trang An Ecotourism Complex. Boat Tour 1 is 3 to 4 hours long. Tour 1 is considered by many as the best route available. It takes you through 9 unique caves, along with 3 spiritual sites. You will explore Trin Temple, Dark Cave, Light Cave, Wine Brewing Cave, Tran Temple, 3 Drops Cave, Sao Cave, Sun Guan Cave, Kong Palace, Bao Hu Pagoda, Kong Cave, Tran Cave, and Turtle Cave. Boat Tour 2 is 2 to 3 hours long. Tour 2 is the shortest tour, covering 4 caves and 3 spiritual sites, providing insights into the Tran dynasty's history at Vu Lam Palace. You will explore Lam Cave, Golden Cave, Ton Truat Cave, Swari Tien Temple, Hang Dai Cave, Vu Lam Palace and Big Cave. Boat Tour 3 is 3 to 3.5 hours long. The newest tour since 2017, covering 3 caves and 3 spiritual sites. Tour 3 features the longest cave, Cloud Cave, stretching over 1,000 meters. The tour includes Trin Temple, Cloud Cave, Kui Min Vong Temple, Earth Cave, Big Cave, Tua Tien Phuc Temple. We would recommend Boat Tour 1 or 2 if it's your first time visiting. We can also recommend Tour 3 because it is a more scenic tour with less caves and some very beautiful scenery, and you get to visit 3 less seen temples to the north of the Trang An Ecotourism Complex. All tours have something unique to offer and you will enjoy your experience no matter which tour you take. Tua Tien Phuc is a serene Buddhist temple. Situated near Phu Kong, Tua Tien Phuc is often visited by those seeking a moment of reflection and spiritual connection. The temple is frequented by locals and pilgrims who come to pray for blessings for their families and to honor national heroes.
Thank you for watching this Upbeat Traveler YouTube video. If you liked this video, please click the like button and we would love it if you would subscribe. We post content every week, so click on the bell button if you want to be notified when videos are published. Thank you again, we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.